Here's my new HP 428B clip-on DC milliammeter. Here it is in operation. It has a probe that you clip around the wire. It's just on a blinking LED. And it has an output, which is just a voltage output showing what's going on the meter. It looks like this with this blinking. And this is a very handy tool when you're working on things with wires, which a lot of things have wires. And if you hook it on both leads, depending on which way the leads are going, it will either read double, which it does here now, or if you flip one of them around, it will read 0, which it does here now. So it reads the flux in the wire, like the common ones that you see, except this one reads really low, down to 1 milliamp full scale. And so that's 0.02 of a milliamp, one division. And it's nicely made. It has one big circuit board with a lot of gold on it. No point-to-point wiring, like most of the instruments. This one was designed in the late 50s, I guess, and they made it all the way up to the mid-80s. This one has got this nice olive drab case, but this is the newer one that does not have the engraved numbers, so the numbers are coming right off after 45 years. So, nice little instrument. Oh, this has also got a degaussing transformer in the built-in. You stick the probe into a hole in the back and remove it slowly, and you can feel it being degaussed. So, works perfectly.